Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to connect the FCC to the Speedgoat machine for hardware-in-the-loop testing. I'm not going to plug in every cable one by one, rather just show you the end results. Let's begin with the power supply of the FCC. You have to connect a power cable to the flight head and the RX maxes. The power cable should be connected to the flight head here and to these two ports on the RX max units. Or if you want, there is another option on the other side of the RX max units here. The Raspberry Pi gets power from the flight head, so you don't need a separate power cable for that. All panels can be run from the same power supply with 8.4 volts. Next, let's see the communication ports on the flight head. The EDL antenna should be connected here. The XS cable goes right next to the EDL antenna, and the Mavlink antenna goes right here. The other side of the XS cable goes to the IO503 extension board on the Speedgoat to the second channel like this. On the other side, next to the power cable, you should connect the CAN 1 cable. The air data cable goes here. Next to that goes to the CAN 2 cable. The CAN 1 and CAN 2 cables should come from a single D-sub connector, which has to be connected to the 2 and 4 channel on the Speedgoat IO612 board, as you can see it here. The air data cable goes to the IO503 extension board like the XSense cable, but to the third channel. Both of them should be connected, as you can see here regarding the cable colors. Next up, let's check the RX Max PWM outputs to the Speedgoat. Note that the PWM numbering starts from the right. So the white cable is channel 1. And the red cable is channel 7. You have to use the upper row for the 8-hole connector. There is a brown cable in all 3 harnesses, which is the ground cable, and you have to connect this onto one of the pins on the bottom row in the PWM section. You have to use this setup on the other side as well. The other end of the cables have to be connected to the Speedgoat IO316 extension board, as it is described in the documentation. The last thing to connect is the RC receiver. This has to be connected to every RX Max unit, to the RC1 channel, in a way that the green cable goes to the top row in every RX Max. The other end of the cable goes to the RC receiver set to port, as you can see it here.